On the next page, Ching reiterates the purpose of proportioning systems by stating that they provide a rationale for dimensions, and he emphasizes once again that proportions are about the unified relationship of parts. This project will focus on the Western pre-industrial types of proportion listed here. The first figure of this page has no description or further reference in the textbook. The figure demonstrates the concept of root rectangles. These particular illustrations can be attributed to J. Hambridge and his book, The Elements of Dynamic Symmetry. Next, we will discuss the figures below. For this figure, the same concept from the previous page could be applied to the height, width, and depth of a volume, using the dimensions of 1 unit, 2 units, and 4 units. These have a 1:2 ratio and a 2:4 ratio. The dimensions are related by a common ratio. The unit is an arbitrary length, and the numbers could change and still maintain the same proportional relationship, such as half a unit, 1 unit, and 2 units, still a 1:2 ratio. The 1:2 ratio provides a designer with a rational sequence for lengths, numbers, amounts, or units to apply to a design. The purpose, as Ching explains, is to provide a unified relationship of parts. Of course, there are many other ratios and sequences that can be used to create related proportions in a design. The next figure on 313 shows a list of types of proportions. These 3 types of proportions create a sequence of numbers that can be applied to a design, such as the block to the left. Further explanation of these will appear later. Here are the basic definitions. Arithmetic. This sequence of numbers is created by adding a common number to the previous. The common number here, for example, is 1. For example, 1 plus 1 equals 2, 2 plus 1 equals 3. Geometric proportion. This sequence of numbers is created by multiplying the previous number by a common number. For this example, 2 is the common number. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4, and so on. Harmonic. This sequence is based on the ratios associated with the intervals of musical tones and will be further explained later. All of these sequence of numbers can be applied to the block on the left.